Hey guys, it's Larry, and I'm doing another plan with me video. Yes, I am still sick. I have been sick for over a week. Oh my goodness, when will this stop? So please forgive me for my voice. I won't talk a lot tonight. I'm completely stuffed up. But I wanted to share with you the new Plan With Me video. This will be for the week of January 15th through the 21st. And this is the artwork I'm going to use. It is so cute. This is fairly exclusive. This is from a designer. Her name is Wendy T. And she is the moderator of a group I am a part of on Facebook. And it's called the Darling Happy Planners. If you're interested, you can look to join. But this is a kit that she had designed and put together in that group for us to use as a free printable. So this is my printed version, and I have turned it into stickers, which look like this. I made these on my Cricut Maker. Really cute. She does great work, you guys. Just adorable. Little washi tape, Darling Happy Planners. Love penguins, so this is a really cute kit. I like the colors. Hello winter, eat, drink, enjoy. Winter is love. And this little guy says 2018, if you can see him. Oops, looks a little bit blurry. So cute, look at those penguins. 2018, Happy New Year. I don't know, I think it's still appropriate. I know it's, what, mid-January now, but January still qualifies as Happy New Year. So these are the stickers, and a nice hydration tracker, and little sidebar sticker, love that. This year's goals. So I'm going to get started. I will play some music like I like to do. If you're new, thank you so much for checking me out. I hope you will become a subscriber. If you have been with me for a little bit, you'll see our numbers are growing. I do still have my giveaway planned at 100 subscribers. It's going a little slow. Please share my videos if you like them, comment, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications. And if things go too slow, I might have to do a giveaway sooner. But let's see if we can get this video up to 100 likes, and let's get our subscribers up to 100 so I can do my giveaway. I have picked out the following washi tapes I think will go really well with this kit. And we're going to get started. So I will pull up my chair and my happy planner. Here's my stickers. I'm going to grab my cocktail, and I'm going to put the music on, and we're going to have some fun. All right, guys, let's go. guys, I think this is it. So it's really full. Probably a lot less white space than I'm used to. But I've got all my functional areas to fill in, and I think I'm good. I've got enough space to write on and make it functional. So I'm really happy with it. I think this is such an adorable kit. I have to show you, I have so much stuff left over. I mean, it was just a huge kit, so I used a lot. My pages are super full, but I think it was worth it because it's just so cute. So that's how it turned out before the pen. I just have a couple of things to fill in right now, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for being with me, and I hope you enjoyed it too. I will have a link for the name of the artwork, and like I said, if you want to try and join her Facebook group, that's where the artwork came from. Adorable artwork. Please subscribe, leave a comment, especially if you like the video. Tell me what you liked about it, if it's too much stickers, not enough white space, or what your preferences are, if you have any tips or tricks, especially if you print your own stickers. And thank you again for being here with me today. And I just want to say one more time, be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. Thanks, guys. Have a great week.